family. This First Family Life, showing you how we make the best out of even storms in our life. Today is 18 degrees outside. It's about 8 inches of snow in our area. Sunday, wasn't able to have church today, but we still had it in our own privacy of our sanctuary. And we had a wonderful breakfast this morning. And now football is on. My team lost the Dallas Cowboys to the Washington Redskins, but my wife's team is on, the Kansas City Chiefs playing the Denver Broncos. So I decided to make us a little quick snack in her new crock pot. Some little baby party weenies, as I call them, little sausages with some Sweet Baby Ray's sweet Vandalia onion barbecue sauce. I love that. So we're gonna probably have some crackers or some chips or something like that to go along with it. So enjoy your day. We'll see you. Look at that, family. That snowstorm is still in beast mode. But how many can testify to the fact that sometimes God has to allow storms of this magnitude of this season to come in to slow us down, to give us well-needed rest, peace, tranquility, to slow us down, sometimes just to hear his voice, or just to give us well-deserved rest, because we in a world now where it's rush, no rest, working 2 or 3 jobs, not spending enough quality time with God. But God will allow things such as nature to come in and play a part in our life, to slow us down, to give us the rest that our body need, and the tranquility and the peace that our mind needs, to just hear his voice and just understand that he is God and he's in control. Me and the First Lady are not on our phones talking to people. We're not on social media. We just at home relaxing and thanking God for all of his many blessings, resting our mind, body, and even our soul. We hope and pray that you're doing the same thing. And even if you're struggling with trouble, hard times, or sickness in your body, you still need just that quiet time just to stop and just take a break. Don't worry, just relax your mind and your spirit. That's healing for your body within itself. God bless you and keep you. Look at that, family. That quality time. The wife bought this crock pot. She's always been a blessing to the home. She bought this little crock pot. It's just right. We have a bigger one, but it's just right for us. This is how we gonna do it. The daughter's still resting, so me and her gonna finish watching the game and knick-knack on some of that while we watching the game. That's that peace that we need, that quality time, that tranquility. Thank you, Lord. You truly are a blessing. And then while that's percolating, not quite done yet, I have my little snack here for me. Got some hot pork skins. And then I got some of those dates. Those dates are good for you, a lot of fiber. Good little snack for you. The pork skins might not be that good, but I don't eat that many of those, and I don't eat them often. But I got them dates to keep me fresh, healthy. And then I got that great cranberry juice. And if you notice, everything we're using today is disposable. So don't have to work the wife or myself or the daughter washing dishes. All right, I'm gonna go in here with her and support her with her Chiefs team against Denver. God bless you.
You're exactly right. And
There
really,
it is.
it's a good job of making sure you can attack like a right-handed Heron.
Look at that light right on the TV.
So I do feel a
My
little
team
guilty
already
for
lost, the Cowboys. I'm a diehard fan. I can
So
take it.
Sean Payton,
They're gonna turn
what a
around
job
one
he's
season.
done here
We're
after
gonna get them back to back.
a lot of other things
But right now, I have to celebrate the Chiefs organization, my wife's team, and I support my wife's team. They doing excellent. Super Bowl champs, trying to repeat. All right, y'all. This is how we do it. First Family Life. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe, like, comment. All comments are welcome. We love you as always. God bless you. Fam, I thought I was going to be through recording these snow videos, but I come out to bring Solomon out. Look at the snow. Look at the accumulation.
Hi.
I mean, people ain't
Currently being recorded.
going to work tomorrow. This is one of the worst storms we done had. Look at this. Look at him trying to go through that to go use it. He can't even get over that hump. Look at that. Look at how deep this is. Ooh wee. I don't know if you can really see it. I mean, this is he can't even really get around to get out to go use it. I mean, the cars are just covered.
Hi. You are currently being recorded.
Oh, these stairs going up to the front of the house. I'm not even gonna try to go up them. Look at the snow. Ooh wee. Solomon, I don't know, man. Oh man. I don't know. We gonna have to stand here by the garage. Oh, matter of fact, we might have to stand in the garage. Look at the snow drift going up our front stairs. I mean, that's thick. And I mean, the streets, unimaginable. Look at this. It's 10:02, I let him out. Look at this snow. It done finally stopped though, that's a good thing. Look at this snow. All right, fam, this gonna conclude it. We love you. Thank you.